Okay, this is W and Diver Deck. We might see ducks, we might not see ducks. I don't know. We'll just have to see. I think we were supposed to go in here. Oh well. Wow. Wide open area. We're going up here to this deck area. Oh, look how green this is. I don't know what those plants are, but green as far as the eye can see. Wow. Look how green that is. It is green. We have some trees and some bushes. Nothing down there. There's the road I came on. And wow, this is wide open. But I hear a bug or something. Hope my phone's picking that up.
In the winter, this is all water. That's why it's called a duck pond.
Well, right now it's a sea of green.